Hi, Shalev Amar here with your Lemon Law Advocates. In today's video, we're going to talk about a lemon law pitfall to avoid, and what that pitfall is leaving your vehicle at the dealership repair shop. That is, not just leaving it at the repair shop, refusing to pick it up. Before we get into that topic, a little bit about my background. Been handling lemon law matters since all the way back in 2004. And now I have an amazing team that helps me handle these cases, and we do everything with lemon law matters from A to Z. So if you have a defective vehicle issue, you can always contact us for additional information. Why should you not refuse to pick up your vehicle from the dealership repair shop if it's fixed? Look, before I tell you why, I understand the thought, I understand the impulse. You buy a brand new vehicle, you're having repeat problems, or it's in the shop for long periods of time. At a certain point, you think, enough is enough, just keep the car, and I want my money back, or give me another car. The thing is, you can't put the cart before the horse. There is a process involved, a lemon law process, and if you just refuse to pick up your vehicle without there being a lemon law settlement, a lemon law agreement, then guess what? That's basically shooting yourself in the foot, because the dealer can decide to declare your vehicle abandoned. You know, it'll get one of those stickers like you see with abandoned vehicles on the side of freeways. And if that happens, then your vehicle can end up being repossessed after being declared abandoned. And then guess what? You have no lemon law claim. And that's basically letting the manufacturer off the hook without having to do anything for you, and you don't even have a vehicle. And guess what? You still have to pay on the loan if you have a loan. So that's not the right thing to do in that situation. So what you should do is, if you've had too many repairs and you're just totally fed up, pick your vehicle up, get the repair record, and then contact us or another lemon law firm to evaluate the matter for you and see if you can be helped under the law. The absolute wrong thing to do is to refuse to pick up your vehicle, because like I said, that could bar you from being able to get a buyback or replacement, or alternatively cash compensation. And the law in Arizona allows consumers to recover attorney's fees. So in the vast majority of cases, you can be helped for free, because the attorney's fees will be sought from the other side. There won't be any out-of-pocket cost to you. So that's the best way to deal with the issue, not to refuse to pick up your vehicle. Even if you're scared to drive it because you think it might be a safety issue, the better course of action is to pick up the vehicle, get the repair record, and then park it, and basically Uber around or take taxis or Lyft until the issue can be resolved to your satisfaction. But leaving your vehicle in the dealer, again, not the right move, can then be declared abandoned. Then you have no legal claim. So if you have any other questions about any other type of lemon law issue, please visit our website. That is ArizonaLemonLawAdvocates.com, or feel free to call us. Number is 480-237-2744. We're here to help.